The Kipvvo V3 Robot Vacuum boasts an impressive 5,000 Pascal suction power, ensuring thorough cleaning across various floor types, including carpets and hardwood surfaces. With its smart control compatibility, this device can be effortlessly operated using an app or voice commands via Google Assistant and Alexa, making it extremely user-friendly. This versatile machine combines vacuuming, sweeping, and mopping functions, catering to all your cleaning needs with different modes such as auto clean and spot clean. Its ultra-slim design of just under 3 inches allows the vacuum to glide easily under low furniture, while the advanced sensors help avoid obstacles and drops. The robot vacuum's powerful battery supports up to 120 minutes of continuous cleaning, and it conveniently returns to its dock when its charge is low. With a generous 24-month warranty and dedicated customer support, users can enjoy peace of mind with their purchase.